Hey, this is Carlos. This is a T-28 Trojan park zone, and the previous owner modified it with retracts. I purchased it about 4 months ago, and I had a little issue with the elevator servo coming out from the its socket, and I was able to nudge it up in the air, which was the big mistake. I didn't have any up elevator, and I turned for a landing. Well, it landed in the lake, and it sat there for, the fuselage sat there for maybe 6 days before it got recovered. The wing got recovered the next day, and everything seems to be working except the ESC burned a hole inside the fuse, so it went in the garbage, and the motor shorted out because of the duration of the brackish water. It probably shorted out some windings and it didn't work, and it wasn't commutating properly. But here goes. Here's the retracts. The retracts were floating in that water for quite some time. And of course I had to glue everything back together again. Aligned everything. Nose wheel steering works. Look at that. Everything works. And it retracts. Well, guys, she's back alive, and soon we'll be in the air. Of course, after eye candy paint job. See you later. Bye.